So hello YouTube, once again. This is another demonstration of a disassembly of a laptop. This is HP. I believe this is some probook or something like it. I'm not quite sure. To be honest, I've never opened this one. So let's give it a go. And oh yeah. And by not opening, yeah, this thing arrived broken. Oh well. So obviously I need to remove this one. I already did see, and there is a screw underneath. Okay, both of these. So let's first of all let's remove the battery, and then let's remove the screws and see where it goes. Okay, so HP. Okay, so far all of the screws are the same size, so that is nice. This one is missing. Oh. This is a DVD drive. This should be just pushed and removed. There are two screws in here, which also should be removed. I'm not even quite sure which laptop this is. Might be probook, might be pavillion. There is no model name anywhere. Well, I'll Google it later. Okay. High quality stuff. Okay, let's see if I removed all the screws. This one does not want to be removed. Okay, here is another keyboard screw. Okay, now I need to remove the keyboard. Is there a way to push the keyboard? Yes, there is. Yes, this. If you push the keyboard, what's this? Let's make that. Okay, that's right. Okay, so yes. This is going out. And now there are a couple of hooks which you need to just let me try. Unhook it. You can unhook them by doing it like this. So just pressing. Okay. Alright. Well, that was quite easy. Okay. Keyboard connector is the one you just pull up. So up. And remove. Okay, this. So far, this is easier than expected, to be honest. Okay. A couple of screws in here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is basically it. Okay, you pull this thing up, okay. Okay, these magnets are quite strong. Also pull up. I don't think that you actually need to remove this thing now. We should probably just, let's see. And I said it was easier than I expected. Okay, a couple of hooks in here. So there's a hook, you can see. There are a couple of those, so press those. And that's it. In fact, I'll do my key topic. Oh, this way. Let's see what this can move. No, this probably goes from this side. Okay, that's right. Yes, it's going to be easier. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so this side. I've never actually opened one of these before. Okay. Well, this sucks. Okay. All right. So there you have it. Pry tool works like the charm. Okay, let's see. You should always have this plastic pry tool and not the metal one, because the metal one can damage the plastic, and well, you don't want to do that. So okay, and there you have it. Okay, to be honest, okay, that was not that hard. Seriously, there's nothing inside this laptop. Okay, the next thing I'll do is okay. I don't have anything to clean here. There is no fan. Job well done. But seriously, take a look at this. Both of these fell apart, and oh well. HP. So yeah, there is no fan in here, and there is nothing to clean. So no need to clean your laptop, obviously. Have a nice day. Bye bye.